In this quick tutorial, I will show you what happens when you upload a file that isn't big enough for your flag. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use a file that I previously uploaded today that was not high enough resolution. You can find any image that you have previously uploaded by selecting the tab titled My Gallery, right here. I'm going to use this image. As you can see, I am receiving a warning message. This message will not show up if you upload a file that is a high enough resolution for your selected flag size. Can't get your design as a vector file? Don't worry. We would be happy to convert your file for you if you need assistance. Sometimes, though rarely, more complicated designs take hours of work for conversion and require additional artwork fees. Rest assured, we will let you know if any of these charges apply to your artwork before processing the file. I'm going to replace this file with one that is high enough resolution. As you can see, there's no warning messages. I can now feel confident that my image will print clear and crisp. For more tips, continue to the next tutorial.